Greetings, grade 9. So today we are going to be solving equations. I hope you have marked your work. Now, we are going to be looking at quadratic equations. So we've done solving quadratic expressions. So that skill we learned is the one which we are going to be using here. Right, so let's get on with, let's do some examples before you guys start on some exercise. Right, so let's say solve for x, and you are given x squared minus 2x is equals to minus 3 is equals to 3 is equals to 0, sorry. So here you factorize, remember how to factorize, and then you equate the factors to 0, and then you solve for x for both. So you get your two answers, then you check your answers, remember, just to make sure that you found the correct answers. So left hand side has to be equals to right hand side. So if it is not, then you know you have made a mistake, or whatever factor you have, it's not a factor of the particular equation you have solved. So there is the answer then. So you see both our factors are resulting in the left hand side of the original equation being equal to the right hand side. So we can say therefore x will be equal to -1 or 3. Another example, solve for x, right? You can see here we use our factorization again. You factorize. After factorizing, you equate each factor to 0, right? And then you solve for x, and then you have to check your answers. Remember to do this so that you make sure your answer is correct. So checking of answers, you can do it very quickly on a separate paper, just to make sure that you have the correct answers. So left hand side has to be equal to the right hand side when you substitute your x value into the equation. So you can see when x is equals to 0, it may result in left hand side being equal to the right hand side. Same when x is equal to -4. So we can conclude that therefore our x is equal to -4 or 0. Right? Solving for x again. Right? X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. Right? We first write it in standard format, then we factorize. There we go. Right, and then we factorize and we equate each factor to 0. Then we solve for x for both, and then after doing that we check our solution. So first we find the x values. There we go, and then we check if these solutions are truly the roots of the quadratic equation. Left hand side has to be equals to right hand side, so x is equals to 4 is a factor. We check x is equals to -2, and then you will see again it is a factor because the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So we can say therefore our x is equals to -2 or 4. Right, so it's your turn. Please complete the work allocated according to the lesson plan.